Cool. I'm Brad Tucker, Chief Commercial Officer with USI, Unmanned Safety Institute. We're here at Commercial UAV Expo. We are a leading provider of education, training, and certification for the UAS industry. We primarily offer curriculum and training to high schools at the secondary level and colleges at the post-secondary level. And our unique focus is to create a workforce development bridge between academic institutions and the commercial workforce in drone operations. So we work on both sides of the aisle, commercial operations as well as academics, to ultimately bridge that gap to provide students opportunities to enter the industry with certifications that are industry recognized, third-party validated through ASTM International. And we've been doing this for 10 years. We have been around for a long time. We are led by experts in this space who've been part of Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University and others as well. So we are passionate about aviation, we're passionate about the drone industry, and we're uber focused on helping students ultimately graduate with industry recognized certifications that lead to employment opportunities in the drone industry.